Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electricity and Energy Management. Today we will discuss about multiple choice questions on capacitors. So this video is divided into two parts. In part 1 we will discuss on few set of questions, and in part 2 we will discuss about few more questions. Because of the length of the video, I have divided it into two parts. During the question discussion, we will also discuss about the explanations to certain extent. So let's start. Energy is stored by a capacitor in a magnetic field. This statement is true or false? The answer is false, because capacitor stores energy in electric field, not magnetic field, whereas inductor or reactor stores energy in magnetic field. So the answer here is false. Which of the following capacitors, which one has the highest dielectric constant? So in between these four, which one has the highest dielectric constant? So this is the answer, that is glass. And you can see this chart. Dielectric constant of vacuum is unity, water is 30 to 88, glass 3.7 to 10, then rest is Teflon, other things are there. So in the series it is maximum is glass. A capacitor and a resistor are connected in series to a sine wave generator. The frequency is set so that the capacitive reactance is equal to the resistance, and thus an equal amount of voltage across each component. If the frequency is increased, then which condition will come? Voltage across resistance will greater than voltage across capacitance, option A. या voltage across capacitance will more than voltage across resistance, or voltage across resistance is equal to voltage across capacitance, or both will be zero. So to explain this condition, let's take an example. There are two elements, circuit elements, one is capacitor, one is resistor, in which equal amount of current flows, that is I. Okay, now the question is telling that if at particular time when frequency is f, at that time both voltage across capacitor is equal to voltage across resistor, but after that if frequency is increased, then what will happen? So you might be aware that capacitive reactance Xc equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. So at particular instant it is equal to resistance. After that frequency is increased. So resistance is fixed, it never depends upon frequency. So R is fixed. Now Xc, due to increase of frequency, Xc has decreased. So now in second condition, R greater than Xc due to increase of frequency. Okay, so if I multiply same, as current will be same in both the resistor and capacitor, so I into R will greater than I into Xc. It is simple mathematics. So I into R is voltage across resistance, that is greater than voltage across capacitor. So the answer here is VR greater than VC. Coming to next question. 5 time constants are required for a capacitor to charge fully or discharge fully. Whether this statement is true or false. So what is time constant? T equal to R into C. Okay, so let's see this time charging and discharging graph of capacitor. So what is time constant? It is the value of, it is the time taken by the capacitor to charge to 63%. Okay, 63% of total value. So to charge to full value, it takes around 5 RC. So 5 time constants. You can see from this charging and discharging curve, it takes around 5 into RC, that is 5 into time constant, 5 time constant to get fully charged or to get fully discharged. Okay, so this statement is true. Coming to next question, what is the capacitance when Q equal to 60 microcoulomb and V equal to 12 volts? So you might be aware about the formula Q equal to C into V, capacitance into voltage. So C equal to Q divided by V, in that 60 divided by 12, that is 5, and because it is in microcoulomb, so 5 microfarad. Option is B. Okay. Capacitor is a device used to store, number one is electrical energy, then there is a resistance, store magnetic energy or dissipate energy. So option A is correct, that is stores electrical energy. Okay. Next question is capacitor blocks dash after long time, alternating current, direct current, both or neither. So answer is direct current. It is very simple because Xc equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. So when frequency is 0, so capacitive reactance is infinity and hence it blocks the current after certain time. Coming to the next question, which of the following is a passive device? Transistor, rectifier, capacitor, vacuum tube. So to understand this, first we have to understand what is passive and active device. Active device is a device that when energy is supplied to its input, it can amplify to the input energy to a higher value at its output terminal. So that is a active device. And is passive device is a device that consumes energy and cannot amplify any input energy at output terminal. Okay, so transistor is active device, rectifier is also an active device, capacitor cannot amplify, so it is a passive device and it consumes energy, and vacuum tube also can amplify the input energy at its output terminal. So answer is capacitor. For which medium capacitance is high? There are 4 options: air, mica, water, metal. Let's see. The answer is metal, obviously, because metal relative permittivity or dielectric constant is higher than insulator. So C equal to epsilon A divided by D as per formula. So if epsilon is more, then capacitance will also be high. Okay. A capacitor using chemical reactions to store charge is dashed like capacitor, that is paper, ceramic, polyester or electrolyte. The answer is obviously electrolyte. Coming to the next question, in a variable capacitor, capacitance can be varied by which of the following options? So it is very simple. C equal to epsilon A divided by D. So C depends, capacitance depends on 3 factors, that is epsilon, permittivity of the media, then A is the area of the plates, D is the distance between the plates. So in the out of the 4 options, in option A, rotatable plates in or out, in that case area gets changed. So the capacitance will vary in that case. Okay, so answer is option A. Others are incorrect. Which capacitor relatively costly out of the four capacitors? Electrolytic capacitor, mica capacitor, air capacitor, glass capacitor. The answer is mica capacitor. A power factor of a circuit can be improved by placing which among the following in a circuit? Inductor, capacitor, resistor, switch. Obviously it is capacitor, because capacitor supplies reactive energy to a circuit. So by placing a capacitor, power factor improves. AR has a dielectric constant of, answer is unity, 0, infinity, 100. So definitely AR has a dielectric constant very near to unity. You can see the dielectric constant of different media. For vacuum it is equal to unity, for air it is very much nearer to unity, so answer can be unity also. For other media also you can check here in this table. Coming to next question, unit of capacitance is farad, it is very much known. Which of the following equations is incorrect? Q equal to CV, yes it is correct. Q equal to C divided by V, it is incorrect. V equal to Q divided by C, it is correct, because Q equal to again CV, it is coming. In D also Q equal to CV is coming, which is correct. So incorrect option is B, that is Q equal to C divided by B. Okay. Which of the following capacitor is polarized? So polarization means definitely an electrolytic light is required. So electrolytic capacitor is a polarized capacitor. A sine wave voltage is applied across a capacitor. When frequency of the voltage decreases, the current decreases, because as per the formula X equal to 1 divided by 2 pi fc. So when frequency increases, capacitive reactance decreases. Okay, and when frequency decreases, capacitive reactance increases, and hence as reactance increases, current decreases. Okay. A capacitor blocks AC but passes DC. Question already we have discussed. This is little modified. A capacitor blocks AC but passes DC. The answer is false, because it passes AC and blocks DC, because in case of DC frequency is 0, so as per formula capacitive reactance comes infinity, so it blocks passing of current, DC current. Which type of capacitor are used in transistor circuits? Ceramic, paper, air, electrolyte. So it is ceramic capacitor. So friends, this is the last question of this set, part 1, and few more questions we will discuss in part 2 of our video. So if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and comment your queries and questions in my comment box, so that I can read and answer to that, and accordingly make video to as per your requirement. Thank you.